So it is wash day. I just got through doing a Peloton ride, and my cross rope, 20 minutes of cross rope, abs, and burn. Never mind, the stuff over there is laundry day as well. You see my no white doors? I told you guys that I was doing some remodeling. So got some new white trim. Been in my house like going on 17 years. So 17 years ago, everything was like honey oak in color and everything, but we have new flooring, new doors, new trim. I got a new fireplace, surround and everything. If you want to see the changes that we've made, like from start to finish, or the stuff that we had before in comparison to what we have now, just like the video, comment, subscribe, and I will be sure to show you more. All right, about to go wash my hair. I look a mess, y'all. Look, I braided and banded last night when I got home from work. I did 12 hours, or, you know, I'm in the urgent care clinic, so I gotta wash it now because my appointment is at noon, so talk to you guys later. Hey you guys, I just finished washing my hair. This is going to be my 10th retie because my anniversary is next month, and my scalp feels really good. I shampoo with Head and Shoulders dandruff control shampoo, and I use Cantu Shea apple cider root rinse that out, and then I finish up with the Suave clarifying shampoo. And my scalp feels so tingly and cool because the Cantu apple cider vinegar makes your scalp feel tingly. And then I like separate it, and I put my oils in my scalp. If you don't know which oils I'm talking about, I will go ahead and link the video. I did do a video about my dandruff and how bad it was and what I'm doing to keep it under control. And if you want a detailed, like drop by drop oil video, I can make that for you as well. Just like the video, comment, subscribe. And I also spray my scalp with rose water and apple cider vinegar rinse once I dry it as well. And it just feels so good. My scalp feels tingly because of the peppermint oil. My hair is so bouncy. So I'm on my way to go get it retied. And I don't know what this spot is in the middle of my forehead. Looks like I got scratches up there too. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, so this is pretty much it for my video. It's better light here. Pretty much it for the video. I'll hit you guys up when I come back. See you in a few. So I just did an impromptu stop at Home, which is a home goods store. I think they're all over the country. But I love going in here because everything is organized by colors or themes. I'm remodeling. I think I've said that several times. So I'm trying to find new decor to go in my spare room and in my living room. So just shopping around there. And these, I believe, are dupes of the infamous Z Gallery paintings. I love these chairs, these club chairs. They're like very mod 60-ish velvet. I love everything that is retro. So I just got back from a fresh retie and my parts are looking nice. Yeah, she said it's getting so thick. Look at there. Anyway, I stopped at home. That's a home decor store. I stopped at to get some stuff for this room. If you can tell, I put some light covers finally. See over there in the corner on my fixtures. see, and there's the new wall plate and what right there. But I'm decorating this room, so just got new flooring. You can see that. I'm gonna do a start to finish video on like me remodeling this room, which is an office / closet glam space. But yeah, I got some pillows from Home Goods. I'm sorry, pillows from At Home. That's where I got them from. I thought this was cute. I got a black couch like futon that I use in here. I got 2 of those pillows. They were $14.99. And then I got some smell good stuff. You ever use these? You throw them in your drawer or sprinkle them, put them around your room. It smells good. Nice. I like nice, clean scents in the house. So this one is called Watermark, and it was $5.99. And I got this one is called Clean Clothes. Nice, smells good. But yeah, those are my new outlet covers that I got. Yeah. If you've made it to the end, I want to tell you thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.